I wanted to do a quick video on how to turn memory on and off in ChatGPT. So this is going to be a real quick one. You're going to go down to here where your name, it says your name, and click on settings. And it brings up this settings window here, and you're going to go under personalization. And under personalization, you see there's reference saved memories. And those are all the memories that go into the manage memories here. If you click on this, it brings up all the memories, the notes it takes about you, and you ask it to take about you. And then the other one is to reference chat history. I like to have both of these on because it actually helps with the continuity in chatting. You don't have to keep on telling it stuff. But the thing to remember down here where it says reference chat history, it can reference chat history, which means you can look something up and possibly find it in a previous chat. But it doesn't bring all of that into its memory. It doesn't bring that into its context window. So it's not the same as when you're chatting it, and it remembers what you said, at the beginning of the chat. In this, when it references the chat history, it's almost like it has a transcript of the chat, and it can look it up if there's a question about it or if you ask it to look it up. So those are the differences there. So this is where you turn these on and off. I believe they're on by default. But if you want to turn one or either off for whatever reason, you can. Or if you want to check to make sure they're on, you can. But that's where you can turn those features off.